we wanted the best dog we could, but we didn't have a whole lot of money to spend on it. So after some research, we found a company out of San Antonio called Universal Canine. Brad Croft runs that company, and what he does, he goes to different shelters around all of Texas, really, and he looks for dogs that have high drive that would be good candidates for, narcotics dogs or tracking, things like that. And he actually got Blue out of the Longview shelter. She was an animal cruelty case from Harrison County. When they got her, she had no hair, she had mange, she was on the brink of death. The shelter nursed her back to health. They called Brad because Brad and Longview have a real good working relationship with that shelter. We do vehicle searches. We do building searches. We will put different odors from narcotics in different vehicles in different places to see if she can locate them and go to the source. We'll put them in different, maybe like a desk, behind televisions, things like that in the buildings. We also do tracking. And by tracking, what I mean is, say a kid wanders into the woods, and somebody can tell us, well, he was, walked in this general area and he took off that way. Well, I can take her out, I can put her on the scent, and she can track the human scent, and she can take us to him. She's not going to bite at the end of the track because she's not a bite dog, so she's just going to basically tell us where they're at. If they're right. Yeah, I'm excited.